Have you been searching for remote data entry jobs online only to find ads promising $50 an hour, but something feels off? What if I told you there are real sites that pay Nigerians for data entry work? No scams, no schemes. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 sites you can use right now. So guys, I'll be covering 3 different sites in this video, alright? So guys, I've saved the best for last. I'll be revealing 2 higher paying platforms, alright, as a bonus. So guys, don't click away, alright? Take note of that, don't click away. So let's jump into the first 3, alright? So number 1 is simply GoTranscript. You simply want to go to GoTranscript.com, as you can see right here on your screen. So guys, now I simply click on the services, but before I do that, so I just want you to know that GoTranscript is a transcription site where you simply convert audio to text. It is legit, but the pay is low per audio minute, alright? So you need good English and fast typing. It is real. You have to put in a whole lot of work for you to earn on GoTranscript, alright? So guys, now as you can see right here, when you click on services right here, you're going to get transcription jobs. As you can see right here, from $1 per minute, alright? As you can see, 60 cents per minute for transcription proofread, and for AI transcription you're going to earn 20 cents per minute, and this one right here you're going to earn 7 cents per word, alright? And as you can see right here, this is for AI transcription, and this one is audio translation, alright? And audio translation, as you can see, this one is audio translation, and you're going to earn $9.80 per minute. As you can see, we have others right here. So guys, you can simply earn money on GoTranscript, alright, provided you are ready to put in the work, alright? So guys, provided you are ready to put in the work on GoTranscript, you can simply earn money, alright? And number 2 is simply TimeBucks. As you can see guys, TimeBucks is a micro-task site. It is real and pays, alright, but the earnings are very small. So you guys, you can use this only for extra pocket change, alright, not as main income source, alright? So you simply want to go to TimeBucks.com to actually create an account for yourself, alright? And guys, you can also watch videos on TimeBucks and earn loads of money, alright? You can also earn watch video and earn loads of money. As you can see right here, now each day and week we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a race bonus and the weekly prize pool, which is $2,000, alright? You can also participate in this, alright? You have nothing to lose. So guys, this site is completely free, alright? It is totally free, so you can start earning instantly, and no approval process required for new signs up. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. And for the referral program, guys, they have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer to TimeBucks. So guys, there's nothing stopping you from sharing this with your friends on Facebook, on your WhatsApp groups, that you can simply share this link with your friends, alright? And guys, you can then make money, alright? So guys, you'll be getting paid, alright? And guys, as you can see right here, daily payout. So guys, they pay daily, alright? So we pay everyone daily with 6 different payment methods, alright? With 6 good different payment methods, alright, which is simply amazing. And another thing right here is their friendly support staff, alright? So you can always reach out to them when you are confused about something, alright? So for you to actually get started, like I said, you simply want to click on sign up and actually create an account. It is totally free, alright? So guys, please like this video if you are getting value. Please like this video, it is very important, and also subscribe if you are yet to, alright? So make sure you subscribe. Number 3, we have 2 captcha, guys. This is the lowest paying option. So you solve captchas for pennies, alright? You simply solve captchas on the 2captcha.com. so you want to go to 2captcha.com to actually get started. So you solve captchas for pennies, and guys, it is tedious, alright? So I will only recommend this if you are truly desperate, alright? If you are truly desperate, I will recommend you make use of 2captcha.com, alright? So guys, this won't make you rich, so take note of that. And guys, if you really want to start making money online, I made a video on the monetary review on how you can create your website and monetize it with ad all right. And also even your social media traffic, you can also monetize it with ad, and you can start earning, guys. You'll be able to actually make money consistently, all right, on autopilot. So guys, if you want to watch the video, I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video. And if you want me to help you to actually create your website and also monetize it with ad, you can simply reach out to me, guys. So I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. So guys, now you know those 3 sites, but what if you want more than small tasks? What if you want real higher paying work? Now that is what the bonus is for, right? So guys, I'm saving 2 better platforms for the very end, but I need to explain how they work so you don't get rejected. So don't click away, all right? This is very important. So guys, before we unlock the bonus, do 2 things for me really quick, all right? First, smash that like button. It tells YouTube that this video is helpful for Nigerians looking for work, so it can show it to more people just like you, all right? And guys, for the second one, I want you to comment below, what is your biggest struggle with finding a remote job? Is it scams? No experience? Guys, I will read every comment. Your struggles help me decide what to make next to actually help you win, guys. So guys, since you made it right here is your bonus. First is Appen, guys. This site offers long-term projects with hourly pay from big tech companies, all right? So guys, you can simply go to appen.com and click on get started to actually create an account for yourself, and guys, you can start earning money on Appen. And the second one is simply Amazon Mechanical Turk, MTurk. And guys, this is run by Amazon itself for micro tasks that can simply add up, all right? So guys, as you can see right here, you can simply read through what Amazon Mechanical Turk is all about. As you can see right here, MTurk, the crowdsourcing marketplace that makes it easier for individuals and businesses to outsource their processes and jobs to a distributed workforce who can perform these tasks virtually. This could include anything from conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, content moderation, and more. MTurk enables companies to harness the collective intelligence, skills, and insight from a global workforce to streamline business processes, augment data collection and analysis, and accelerate machine learning development. So guys, you can simply read through to actually get more information on this. As you can see right here, workers want to earn money and work on interesting tasks. So guys, you can simply earn money on MTurk. You simply want to click on get started to actually get started, all right? So guys, now you have the full picture. Go apply strategically and never give up. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video where I'll break down how to apply to these bonus sites step by step.